Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. I'm going to review some candy. This is some candy that my nephew, him and his wife, Stacy, brought back from Disney World. And shoot, where'd they go? Is it California? Crap, I can't even remember now. I don't think they went to Florida. Where's Disney World at? My son's management team where he works went to Florida to Disneyland, Disney World. I never can remember which one's where, but yeah, my nephew and his wife Stacy, they just got back not too long ago. But so they went there and they got some candies at some kind of shops that have candies from other countries and stuff. This one here, shoot, I didn't see where it said where this one was made. It's called the brand name or the company name is called Family Volcano. This is the top part of it, where we cut open the package so that we could all try it when they was over for dinner the other night. But they took the packages and I took pictures of them. They gave us some and then they took the packages with them, so I don't have the package to show you, but this is the top part of it. You could probably Google Family Volcano and you can see a picture of what it looks like. But so this is a cola flavored popping candy, artificially flavored. When I took a picture of the front and the back. I just started writing down the details just a little bit ago, but I didn't really see like an ingredients. Not that I noticed anyway. But let's see. There's 20 pouches in this little package. Imported by Family Food Company Incorporated. I didn't try these when they were offering them out, because I wanted to review them and I wanted to give you the first reaction, my reaction of it, what it was like, you know. So I put some in my bag that I take to work, and I'm doing it now. That does have a cola aroma. That smells really good. Kind of bubblegummy kind of an aroma, like cola, but bubblegum cola. Smells good. Okay. Has a cola taste and a little bit of a bubblegum taste as well. It's good. I like it. That was it. That was it for that one. It's a very colorful package, like I said. Google image it and you can see what the package looked like. But yeah, good stuff. I did that, or Jeremy's doing that for one of our cats, and the cat was like freaking out at the noises he was making. Okay, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and we will see you on the next one.